kami dun sa Sherman Tank para mas ma-accommodate yung group natin. Next time na tayo babalik dito sa Umalios. Yan. Good morning. Actually, good evening. It is 5:46. 5:46 in the afternoon. Dito na kami dumiretso sa Sherman Tank. Mas kasya kasi kami dito. So kanina, medyo nag-aayos kami. Yung temperature, 18. Ngayon, 17 na. Hapon pa lang. Sa lakas ng hangin na yan. So, good luck mamayang gabi. Yeah, that's our simple setup ulit. Walang masyadong etche-boreche. That's our dining area. We didn't even set up the awning because it's too windy. And syempre, diba, better safe than sorry. And that's our no-nonsense setup. Of course, front runner wolf box. Front runner. Banayad Adventures. Tahimik lang Kuya Joseph pero nanginginig na yan.
Nanginginig.
Yan. Puntahan pa natin dito sila. Hang out with the girls. Ayub. Ate Jess and Lisa. Wow. Kuya Ernest. Wala. Ano tong pinapalambot dito?
Bulalo.
Yun. Yun. Ito yung mga manginginom natin. Yan. So, perfect weather. Habang sobrang hangin, nagpapalambot ng bulalo. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kahangin. Lisa. Sige. Laters. Okay, so yeah, you remember my friend Ayub. So I told Lisa that this will be our training ground for Lake Tabeo. And how do you feel so far? It's just 17, Ayub.
We're about to fail miserably. God knows what's gonna happen with Tabeo.
So good luck to us.
Oh God.
Yep, it's cold, the sun is going down, and so is the temperature. So, yeah. Let's see what happens later. Yan. Hi, guys! Balot na kami, oh. Kuya Ernest, oh. Ganda ng sunset, oh. Ano nga yan?
Locker.
Laker, ayan, yan ang iniinom namin ngayon, Laker Tiner.
Haluan ko yan ng C2 gin ko ya.
C2 gin.
Oh, pagkain ng, pagkain.
C2 gin.
Ginamit ng mga, kung dito sa Ilocano, apan nagsikkakin, nag-grab. Yung mag-harvest at saka magtatanim. Palay.
So yun. Oh, Kuya Ayub is there pala. Standing there. Look at the beautiful sky. Oh. That's still the color of the sun setting. Yes. And it's not that obvious that we're really cold, right? Really cold. Not that obvious from what we're wearing.
My voice is kind of breaking now.
Oh, yun. So, yeah, nag-enjoy lang kami dito. What time is it now? And the temperature?
6:30.
Temperature check. It's
16 degrees.
16. Okay, good luck to us. Oo. Kasama natin Kuya Luis. Kuya Luis. Yun. Kuya Joshua. Ito pa pala, Kuya Michael.
Mga Team San Miguel.
Yan.
Kulang ng isa.
Kuya Jay. Kuya Jay. Maginaw, malamig, masarap. Very good. sa Malico ngayon. And ganyan kalakas ang hangin. Ngayon, aga pa, kaya lang hindi na namin kaya sa labas. Malico pa lang to. Listen. Yan, kaya-kaya yan. Kaya-kaya ng tent natin yan. So, ayan. Good night. Nice. Lakas ng hangin. Pero tingnan nyo, sumasaya lang yung tent natin. Very good. Diba? Time now is 6:10 in the morning. Yeah. Good morning. Ito ang sitwasyon namin ngayon dito sa may Sherman tank. Kulo ng buhok mo, babe. Namulot kami ng tsinelas namin. Kasi nilipad sa tabi lang naman. Pero hinanap namin. Ayan. So, yung ganyang kahangin dito sa Malico, medyo nakalat lang. Yeah. Probably in the other campsite, yeah. The other camping area. Yan, so safe naman dito mag-bonfire and magluto. Kasi pin-provide kami ng parang drum para doon kami mag-ano ng apoy. What's up, Ayub? We Ernest. Good morning. Ate Ruby, good morning. Kuya Joseph, good morning.
I'm here. Kuya man,
Yes.
habang naglulugaw ako doon sa baba,
Naglumaw ka na?
lugaw.
Daya nito,
May naisip ako,
Oh.
magpa-event kaya Banayad dito.
Yan, ano?
Para pag-uso ng club ko.
Pwede event dito, Southeast Overland.
Sa baba. Isang ring.
Yan, so that's the restroom. That's the restroom that was assigned to us. Ayun yung Sherman tank sa baba. Dito kami naka-pitch sa taas. Ayan, ayun tayo. Malapit sa baba. You know.
Man.
Na. Yan. So me and Ayub will take the easier route and just buy hot coffee. But that's a good thing about this place. They have a parang canteen, a store. Yes. So yan, it's just near the Sherman tank. Kasi mahirap magpasindi muna ng apoy. Dito na lang kami. Temporarily. So they also have lugaw. Yun. Buti may lugaw dito. Ang mabilisan. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Joshua.
Kaya magaling mag-text ako lang.
Yan lahat mga kasama natin. Kuya Toy,
Hindi kuya.
Kuya Luis, Kuya Joseph, andun pa rin.
Padami kuya.
Kuya Mike,
Padami yun. Laki yung city.
Kuya Jay, Kuya Joshua, Kuya Ernest syempre. Andun sila, Ate Lisa, Ate Ruby. Very good. Very good.
Pag naubos, ayun, ulo.
Lagi. Tumatalino agad, hindi pa umiinom eh. Yan, habang maliwanag pa, una na natin setup natin. So of course, front runner rooftop tent. Meron din tayong quick pitch na shower cube. So pwede siyang palitan, pwede siyang changing room. Pwede mo din siyang gawing shower room. And may mga front runner tayo na lalagyan ng tubig sa taas. Of course, nakalagay sila sa front runner na roof rack. Yan, tapos front runner table dito in between. Mapasok yan dyan. Nagpapaningas pa lang dito. Mag-iihaw na kami ng kapitbahay. Okay, so we'll visit Kuya Ayub's tent. Philly cheesesteak. In a camp. On an awning room. In Malico. Why? Yeah, so that's Ayub. And his Philly cheesesteak. Everyone's cooking their lunch. So mamaya dito may iihawin na dito. Yan. Ayan, si Ate Jess nagluluto na rin doon. Kami umiinom pa rin dito. Hindi na masyadong maaraw, pero mahangin pa rin. This is Philly cheesesteak by Ayub. Thank you, Ayub. 1:47. Taas ng araw pero hindi pa rin mainit. Chicken tandoori. Hi, so pauwi na kami. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to see more of videos like this, please do like, subscribe, and share to Banayad Adventures, to our page, to our channel Banayad Adventures. So on that note, we'll be seeing you on the next one. Very
Good.
very
Very good.
good. Oh yeah.